Hello, everyone. Today we will talk about the maintenance of your espresso machines with a crusher. We have selected 3 kits to extend the lifespan of your machine and maintain the authentic taste of your coffee. We discover you from the most completely most specific. Let us go. Let's start with the Krups kit Full Auto Espresso Broyer XS53001. This kit contains 2 descaling, Shetson, 10 cleaning and degreasing cushions, as well as a filter box. 2 AquaClean set water filters, cleaning, unloading of pastilles, cleaning brushes and silicone fat. The regular cleaning extends the lifespan of your coffee machine and keeps the quality of your coffee. For those who are looking for a certain kit, you will find the espresso tablet for the milk filter, AquaFlow filter. Due to the regular cleaning with this kit, you can get the best performance of your automatic espresso machine for optimal taste coffee. To our selection of maintenance kits for espresso machines with shredder, kit that meets your requirements.